Hello, there's a question about how to use Google Maps and how to make the pins and edit the pins as the assignment in this current unit asks you to do. So what I would tell you to do is you go to Google Maps, and this is the front page of Google Maps. Click over here and find your places. Now, if you've never made a map before, this will mostly be blank. But if you look after you click your places, you click on Maps. And what you will do when on the Maps menu is create a map, and that's down here. So I'm going to hit that, and that's going to load up. And now I'm in the map builder mode here. And the first thing we might do here is call this the religion map. And we could add a description. You can do that if you want. You have to title it, but description's optional. Now, once we're here, I might say, okay, I want to put something in Brazil. Let's see. And there it is, Brazil. And now here we are. And if I knew a particular cathedral or a particular monument, you want to put that pin as close and as accurately as you can to the actual either origin of the painting, if you've chosen a painting, or a piece of architecture or a statue. But I'm just going to put the demo here just on Brazil. And what I'm going to do, first thing, I'm going to come over here where it says base map. And I find the best looking base map is the Google Earth view, the satellite view. It really gives you a sense of the terrain. I think that's better than the road map view or just a basic flat political view. From there, now let's say, okay, I want to put a pin on. So I'm going to come up here where it says add marker, this little balloon thing. I'm going to click it, and you see now I've got crosshairs. And let's imagine that I want to put this right here. Let's say this was the place that I was trying to pin. And you can see it drops a pin. Here I can title this pin, and I would title this either the name of the piece of architecture, the particular church maybe I found, or I would title it the name of the painting I found or the name of the statue I found, whatever the physical object is that I am using in my assignment to show the synchronization here, or the synchronization. So let's just say here I'm going to put Statue of Mary. And if I had this image, I could come over here, this little camera, add image or video, and you would probably on another tab have used Google search to find a really good image as part of your research. But for my purposes, I'm just going to do it right here. I'm going to do Statue of Mary. And beautiful. I'll take this one here. It looks architectural somewhere. And I've clicked it. I've clicked on it. You can see it made the check mark. I'm going to do select. Now it adds that image to this pin. And the final step is, you see this box right underneath, this is just a basic text box. I can type here. And what you would type here is your description of what this thing is and where it is, and most importantly, how this shows synchronization, where Christianity is it's a Middle Eastern idea. It has its roots in the Middle East, and yet it's going to branch out and go all over the world. And as it does so, how does it combine with the local ideas of the people who adopt this originally Middle Eastern tradition? And we might see that the way they portray the look of certain religious figures will look like they do in that area. That's one piece. And the other thing is architecturally, you'll see a blending of some traditional architectural ideas from the origins of the religion in the Middle East, but it will also adapt to the local area, perhaps in building style and also in materials, that sort of thing. One key point I would add is that when you're looking at Christianity in North and South America, that is via Europe, and that's true of some other places as well. So when you are looking in, for instance, South America, and you're looking at cathedrals, say, that is a Middle Eastern idea via Europe that landed in Brazil or Venezuela or Colombia, something like that. And so you're looking at really a two-step synchronization. There's the original idea syncretized in Europe, and then that synchronization, that kind of hybrid, went to the Americas and was integrated again with a new culture and a new topography and geography and background. So in any case, this is how you do the technical aspect of it. When you are all done and you've done your typing, you'd hit save, and the next time you want to do it, you come up here and you type a new location. Let's say Africa, and here I am, and let's say that I had a particular place. I'll X out this one, and I just click on the pin and I drop it where I want it. And now I type it in and go. So I hope this is helpful. I hope it clears up the how-tos. And if you have any further questions about the assignment, just ask me, give me an email, and I'll see if I can help you out.